All right, good day everyone. Good day everyone. Welcome back to this channel. Welcome back to this channel, Trading Ability. Like I always say, this channel is a channel that teach you a whole lot, and all you just really have to know, and all you need to understand about the financial market. Yeah, this is Euro card on the monthly time frame, and you can see what the market has been doing. Look at what price has been doing on the chart. uh when you open your chart, all you just have to do is to focus on the current price. Focus on the current price. What is price doing? You have to read the chart and know what the price is doing and how to react to market conditions. This is very pertinent and very important to know and to do. So looking at the monthly time frame, you can see that market came all the way to this place and did what? Resisted. So you have to ask yourself a question: why the market is going up? What is market creating? Market is creating support and resistance. So if the market is trending, it is creating resistance to turn support, right. So here is resistance, here is resistance, here is resistance to some turn support. Here is also resistance to turn support, right. So let's go to weekly time frame and see what the price is doing. Let's go to weekly time frame. Okay, you can see what price did. So let me just show you a simple trick that you can use to follow up the market. Now, when you want to look at what is happening in the market, all you just have to do is to find the most recent impulsive move to the opposite direction. You can see, let me map out something. There was an impulsive move to the what? To the opposite direction, right? You see what happened? You see what happened? Market impulse, right? Look out, an impulse came down, broke it, came down all the way to this point. So you don't have to be shifting backward to see what is happening in the past. You just have to focus on the current price action and react to the chart. So looking at this, look at market has rallied up, market changed character in trend. It rallied up all to this point. So we are still looking for opportunities to trade. We don't just have to enter into the market like that. Let's go to 4-hour time frame. You see, a lot has happened in the past. Market has changed character and the rest. You can see how price change from this point, right? Consider doing what? Rallying up. Now, on reaching to this point, look at what price did. Market, there's a change of what? A break of structure here. There's a break of structure here. And leading to this break of structure, look at the lower high that did what? Caused the break of structure, right? So we are expecting price what? To sell off from this point. This is how easy and simple you do what? You analyze your chart and do what? Target the what? This low here. Yeah, this low point here. The next level target will be at this point, right? The next level target should be at this point. First, take profits, right? Second, take profits, right? You can also target this point, this low here, before you finally come back to this point. So This is how you follow the market in real time. So all you just have to do is to just go to a convenient time frame. What do you do? What do you do? You just sell off. But since it has come to our this is zone, all we just have to do is just to sell off. Okay, let's go to another chart and see what is happening. Okay. Let's see. I think we have to talk about uh any other pair like Euro USD or AUD USD and see what is happening in the chart. Let's also go to monthly time frame. Or let me take this off. You can see I told you look at the most recent pullback that happened in the market. Market created this. There's a structure here. Look at what price did. Price broke down the structure. That is what you call price annihilation. So if we go to the weekly time frame, there is a high here, there is a high here, there is a low here, which people refer to support, right? So yeah, market violated the what resistance and started showing what showing bearish sentiment. So looking at the price here, you can see that here the most recent pullback is this zone. Yeah. So all we just have to do is in real life charts, in real time charts, we just have to come and observe what price is actually doing. So I want to show you a strategy on how to follow price and know what to do when price isn't really doing what you really want it to do for you, right? So looking at this point, we have a break of structure. So we will not buy but keep looking for sales until the price does what violates this zone. We do what keep selling. We do what keep selling. So this is the setup for the week on AUD USD. So all we just have to do is to keep watching. Just have to keep watching what price is doing for the week. Let's check the stock market. At least let's see what Netflix is doing. What Netflix has for us. Wow, Netflix has been so bullish. And we expect a buy from this zone. So let's go. Still bullish. It's still very bullish. And look at what price is doing. Look at what price is doing. Wow, but to be honest and sincere, price just broke structure. price just broke structure. Price broke structure, and price is coming to do what? Respect this supply created here. Wow, this is amazing. But for us to keep looking for buy, we want price to do what? We want price to violate this supply zone, give us a bullish sentiment in trend, and we enter for a buy. So for now, let us keep an eye on Netflix and see what is going to happen. Okay, crude oil. Let's look at what is happening in crude oil. Nice to mark up my chart a whole lot because I have a lot of things. Okay, let's go to crude oil on the weekly time frame. I love weekly time frame so much. So this is what I'm saying. The most recent pullback structure. Okay, you can see how price have been respecting this resistance often and often. All you just have to do is to look for an entry pattern. So there's something I'm looking at on. Okay, so you can see that structure many times. look at what is happening. Structure violated. Which of the supply that led to this violation of structure, and a close below the structure. We are looking at this zone. Once price come to this zone, what do? We just sell off. So we are expecting a sell from this zone on what? On crude oil. We are expecting a sell off. We are expecting a very time sell off from this zone. So okay, structure violated, and we are expecting a sell. So we are going to look at another pair. We are going to look at another pair. Okay, let's check what is happening on Bitcoin. Let's check what is happening on Bitcoin. You can see I've made a lot of markups and the rest. See how price keep respecting and the rest, and keeps moving. Okay, let's go down to okay. Market is already resisting from this point, but let's see what happens. You can see by the way that Bitcoin is bullish. So let's look at structure, what the market is doing. All you just have to do is to follow price and make your money. You can see that price changed sentiment here, and Bitcoin. Look at what Bitcoin did. Bitcoin is selling off from this very zone. Bitcoin is selling off from this very zone. It's a nice one. Let's keep going down to look for sell opportunities, because Bitcoin is selling. It's obvious that Bitcoin is selling. So we are expecting Bitcoin to come to this very zone and do what? And sell off. And sell off. And sell off from here. So a break of structure, supply created, and we are expecting a huge sell from this zone. So let's see what happens on Bitcoin. We'll come back to the charts. I will come back to the chart. Let me have a screenshot of it, so that when next we come, we see how it really played out. Okay, let's see which pair are we looking at, or which pair should we look at. You also follow Bitcoin is doing. There's no two ways about it. I'm looking for gold. I'm looking for gold. Okay, let's look at gold. A lot of people used to be very afraid of trading gold, but that is not the issue. The issue here is, do you know what you are really doing? What is price doing? How do you intend to follow price? So looking at gold, look at what I see here. Okay, look at what I see on gold. I see a sell on gold. I see a sell off on gold from this very zone. So let's wait and see what happens. Thank you for visiting this channel once again, and thank you for learning. Thank you for learning from this channel. This is the best place to actually be and learn a whole lot. Thank you guys. Thank you. See you in my next class and in my next free tutorial videos. Thanks a lot. Just press the subscribe button, share my videos.